If you're finding yourself stuck with 0 views on TikTok, then no worries as we've got your back. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, give your profile some love. Check if your username's catchy, your profile pic is on point, and your bio tells the world who you are. Next up, dive into your video game. Now get those creative juice flowing and hop onto the latest trends and challenges. And remember that hashtags are like your secret weapon, so throw in the popular ones and sprinkle in some that matches your vibe. Next is you need to remember that consistency is your new best friend. Regularly drop those video gems to keep your audience coming back for more. And if you can, you should go collaborate with fellow TikTokers as duets are like a virtual high five to creativity. Next is don't be shy. Just invite your other social media buddies to the TikTok party. You can share your videos on different platforms and let the views roll in. Also, the most important thing, just a quick check. Are your videos set to public? If not, then you should double check those settings to make sure that your content is out there for the world to see. And that's it. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and build that TikTok family vibe. Building up views takes time. So be patient, keep experimenting, and have fun with it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.